for clicking on the video, guys. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm super duper stoked. Mamamoo has dropped their new song, Aya. Let's call it Aya, okay? And I have not checked out their performance teaser and anything. I know the teaser had dropped, but I did not check it out. I wanted to react to the song without checking out the teaser, so I'm super duper stoked. And yes, now I know all the names, though I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce it correctly or not, but I know all their names now. I know who's who. It's easier because there are like only 4 girls. I don't know if I'm ready to look at Hwasa because yeah. Okay, without delaying this, let's just start the reaction for Aya. Okay. Aya. It's Aya. Ooh. Oh my god! No! Oh god! I cannot. Hwasa is not looking like that. She's not. Please tell me. Oh my god. No, wait. I don't know if I can get through the song. She is not looking like that. Okay. I'm okay. Yes. I'm gonna get through this. Well, I'm sorry. I forgot to even turn on the subtitles. I'm sorry. Huh? Momos? Why no subtitles? Okay. Oh, I did not expect the newer songs to not have subtitles. Maybe they'll add it later? Maybe? Okay. Oh my god, look at Sonar. Yes, oh my god. Dead. I don't think I can get through this video without dying several times. This was there in the Dinga ending. Yes. Oh my god. Yes! I do not understand, but I'm vibing. I know why Hwasa has been born. She has been born to kill me. She's born to kill me. I want to see that part again, but I'm scared. I'm literally scared for my life. I can't get through this song. 1 minute is also not over. Oh my god. Oh my god, Hwasa. I do not understand, but I love it. I am dying at looking at her. Oh my god. I can't get through this song. I cannot get through the song. Why is she like this? Oh my god, what's up? I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I really find her nice, cool girl. The song is amazing. Jane. She's also so pretty. All of them are pretty. Woo! I can't. They're killing me. Focus. Visuals. Choreography. This is my new jam. I'm dying looking at Hwasa. Even Zayn looks great. Woo! I love the unibrow. Oh man, she has pulled it off so well. I love it. I love how different they are. I just love it. I love Mamamoo. I love them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Look at Solar. Jane is beautiful. Scared to look at Hwasa now. Moon Girl is also so sexy. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, there's a dance break! I'm finished! I'm finished! So, I finally got through the song. I got through it. I don't know how. I got through it without fainting. That's a credit to me because I got through the song without fainting. Yes. I'm taking a little time to collect my thoughts because they are all over the place right now. These poor girls have ripped my soul away from my body and they have snatched it away and it's with them now. Okay. My thoughts have been gathered. Firstly, I am a little disappointed that there were no subtitles. I really want to know. I'll watch the lyric video after shooting and editing this. I'll watch the lyric video and find out what the meaning of the subtitles is. But I feel, looking at the MV, that it has a sort of like a devilish dark tone. Like they're sort of evil. They're sort of evil. Look at their expressions. And then Hwasa on the grave with the digging thing. My god, I even forgot what it's called. Okay, whatever. And then when Solar was there in that place with that white costume with the unibrow, I mean, they looked sort of evil. They looked evil. And even Moonbyul with that arrow. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I seriously had to gather my thoughts. I'm shook I am shocked looking at this. I really am. I mean, I was expecting it to be good, but they've just knocked it out of the park with their vocals, their costumes, their choreography, the MV. The entire look of the MV is beautiful. It's amazing. I loved it. I love everything about it. I love that beautiful sort of like a Middle Eastern vibe. What is it with, like, I'm reacting to so many songs which has this vibe nowadays. I don't know. Can somebody clarify that to me? But I loved it. I loved it. Oh my god, I want to scream and shout how much I loved it. Hwasa looks out of this world. She looks out of this world. My lady crush has become my lady love now. She's not my crush anymore. She's my lady love. Yes, I'm admitting it on camera. She's my lady love now. Alright, please let me know if you guys know what is the meaning of the song, what does it represent, because I love this dark concept. I really like this dark concept a lot. So yes, please Mumus can let me know what kind of concept that they are actually trying to portray through this video. And yes, I absolutely enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.